There are thousands, millions of different toppings you can put in your sandwich. This one, however, is my favourite at the moment. I like to use these little zoccolis, which are mini Turkish breads. They just work so nicely because they go crispy on the outside and stay super moist in the centre. So I'm going to cut this in half. Now the filling is a combination of double smoked ham, mozzarella, soft cooked eggs and spinach. And don't forget the chutney. This is what ties it all together. So just press that down so it's even, and we'll add our chutney. This is just a tomato chutney. I'll add a generous amount on both sides, about a dessert spoonful each, and spread it all the way to the side. I like to add the cheese next. We just want to break this buffalo mozzarella up and separate it and place it on each side. Next is the spinach, a few leaves in the centre. Press that down. And now for the ham. I love double smoked ham for this. These are fantastic little slices because they're thin, which means we can add more. So in the centre, it's the perfect size for these little mini Turkish loaves. And now the eggs. These have been put in some boiling water for about 5 minutes. The reason I only put in for 5 minutes because I want that gooiness and I don't want it to overcook in the sandwich press. So we'll just place them into the center, scoop up all that yummy yolk. Done. Now we need some pepper, freshly cracked pepper over the egg, and a small pinch of salt to season the eggs. Now we'll pop the little lid on and give that a squish. So good, good enough to eat now. Actually, it's going to taste even better when it's toasty and piping hot. So we'll place this into a sandwich press and I'm going to cook this until it's crusty on the outside and then squish it down and let this cook until it's toasty on the top and the cheese is melted. I hear a sizzle and I think it's ready. Look at that. That looks so good. All right, I'm gonna take it off the grill. Now we'll pop it on the board. And then it is piping hot, but the best way to cut into this sandwich is with a serrated knife on an angle, cutting that. And then we'll just pile it onto a plate. That is such a delightful sandwich. Beautiful double smoked ham, gooey eggs, mozzarella, and the chutney. Yummo. That's gonna be my brunch. Yum.